Neighbor, this one where your body is sweet anyhow, you get wetin dey pepper you for body.
Good afternoon. I want you to help me come and check something upstairs, please.
Check something like what?
My fridge is leaking, please.
I beg, I know they do fridge, I beg, no come worry me, heat there for this country.
There are some rats. There are some rats upstairs. I cannot go inside. There are some rats. Please, come help me check them.
I know they say rat poison, madam, leave me.
Okay, please, come help me do something. Please, come help me do something. Come help me check something and please.
I should come and do something.
Yes, come and do something and check something, please.
Check something or do something. Clear me.
Come and do something and check something for me, please.
We move.
Thank you, please.
I got tagwaru telata.
Come now, come inside. Come and finish what you started.
Come again.
Didn't you enjoy it?
I enjoy it.
Oh yeah, come inside. Come and take your things.
Enjoyment you want give me.
Come and take your things.
Enjoyment no dey for this.
Come and take your things.
Just give me zazu.
Come and take your things. Let's go inside.
Adashu na take.
I'm not enjoying it.
Let's get worry. Enjoyment. You want give me zazu. Say, you want give me. Wetin be all? I better get out. All of una follow get.
Rose, please come and check me. Let me check something.
In your room.
In my room. Yes.
You are very sweaty in your room.
Yes.
Abi?
Yes, let's go. Are we okay? Make sure you eat very well next time. Use it and buy milk, okay? Take care, bye.
How can I say me say that don't know luck? All these guys, my weapon, I get young guinea. I say, I don't know. But I'm not there for my body again. But thank you, sir. My brother, how is the journey? How is the work? How was everything? Oh, Tyler, what's wrong with you? Never!
Thanks for watching that wonderful video from Laugh Loud Comedy. Please click on the subscribe button. It's very free. It's free. Please subscribe to our channel. Please.
And turn on your post notification. Tell them.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Please. Yes, so please, so we love you. So you see amazing things from us. Amazing things. Please subscribe. We love you.
Leave that one. Subscribe.